Welcome to my channel, lad. My channel is magnificent and fun and successful-ish. If you want to know how I turn into Jack Sparrow, keep watching and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. Because I'm Jack Sparrow. I am Jack Sparrow. I sound like Jon Snow, but not really then. So I'll just stop trying.
Alright, let's start the makeup. I am beginning with my eyebrows and I'm blocking them out with a glue stick. I hate when it does that. I'm brushing up my eyebrows with the glue stick and I am flattening the hairs with my finger and a little bit of saliva because it helps. Now I'm going to apply compact powder several times. I'm doing this a couple times so I have a flat surface that I can paint on. Doing the other eyebrow, and now I am applying on a primer. Magic. Now foundation. Oops. Now let's add eyebrows because we look weird without them. I'm using a reference photo of Johnny Depp and I am painting fake eyebrows with this eyebrow brush, and because they were not dark enough, I'm using a black eyeliner to add some hairs. Now I'm using a contouring palette and this color and I'm going to sculpt my face, and with the reference photo I'm going to add the shadows everywhere I see a shadow on Johnny Depp's face. This is basically how you sculpt your face into someone else's face. You look at the shadows and all the light and you try to just copy that on your face, like your face is a flat canvas. There's a lot of work on the nose because, I mean, the nose is in the middle of your face, so it's kind of an important feature, but I figured it would make a big difference if my nose actually looked like Johnny Depp's. It would really give you a Jack Sparrow transformation, so I really worked hard on it. I am changing the shape of my nostrils with a black eyeliner because Johnny Depp's nostrils are not exactly where mine are. And I'm going to do all the highlighting with cream concealer and also white cream paint, I guess. Now let's work on the cheekbones. Johnny Depp has prominent cheekbones, high cheekbones. I do too, because I have also native blood, but Johnny Depp's cheeks are more prominent than mine, so I am highlighting them a lot and also highlighting where my mustache is going to be. And it is starting to transform my face right now. I can see it. I don't know if you guys see it, but I'm starting to not recognize myself. There's a lot of work also on the cheeks. And yeah, you don't want to be afraid to put a lot of highlighting and cream because this is what is going to change your own features. More highlight. I really want those cheeks. More highlight on the nose to define the tip, and that was too much, so I'm blending it out. And now I'm starting to work on the eyes. Jack Sparrow's eyes are mostly just black. It's kohl and eyeshadow, so just put on a kohl on your waterline and on the bottom lid and blend it in with black eyeshadow. I want my eyes to be more sunken and dark darker, and I want the overall shape to be different, so I'm trying to shape them with that line that you sort of see on my lid, and a lot of black eyeshadow and cool. It doesn't have to look clean or nicely done. The point is you're a pirate and you drink a lot and you probably fight a lot and sweat, so your eyes need to look messy and dirty. I'm going back in for some more contouring, and I want to look more dirty, like I haven't showered in 1 week or maybe a couple. And now I'm trying to make my lips disappear with, not concealer, with liquid foundation, and I'm using a liquid lipstick to reshape my lips and give them Jack Sparrow's shape. But the lipstick was not dark enough, so I'm using a little bit darker one and going over the lips. I'm going to highlight the upper lip to make my real lips kind of disappear, you know? And also I'm going to, I don't know, start sketching the mustache. I'm starting with a brown crayon to give the overall shape, but I will darken the mustache with a black eyeliner that you can see right now. I'm adding hairs over the brown to make the mustache look a bit more real. And honestly guys, I dig it. I love having a mustache. Can't wait to be old and have a natural mustache. Just kidding. I'm adding a goatee, I think that's what it's called. If it's not, I'm sorry, I can't be bothered looking up the word. I'm like a beautiful guy, I like it. Now I'm adding the beard with the same brown crayon, and I will darken it as well with my black eyeliner. This makeup was so much fun. I loved turning into Johnny Depp. I'm now adding a little cross on my cheekbone. It's I don't know if it's a tattoo or if it's a scar, but I just noticed before I was done that Johnny Depp has this little symbol on his cheek, so I am highlighting it with cream concealer, and I'm going to shade it with a black eyeliner and black eyeshadow. And now with this white eyeshadow, I'm doing more highlight on the cheeks. And above the mustache and around the goatee, and this is just the final touches to totally transform into Jack Sparrow. I wanted my eyes to look darker, and because also I lost some of the eyeshadow after hours of painting. I am giving a glossy finish to my eyes because when I looked at the reference photo, I noticed that Jack Sparrow's like bottom lid was kind of glossy, wet. I don't know why. So anyway, I'm not gluing the two little braids that Jack Sparrow has. Yes, getting into the character. I look crazy. I am going to put on the hat slash wig.
I love makeup so much. This is the coolest thing ever. Being Jack Sparrow, being Johnny Depp. Nobody can be Johnny Depp. No matter what people say about him lately, he's still Johnny Depp. He's still the best. He's Gilbert Grape in my heart forever. If you've never seen Gilbert Grape, you're missing out. It's one of the best movies ever. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm gonna change, put on a shirt or something. I don't have his costume and I don't want to paint myself because it's too hot. And I am happy with the transformation. The train is passing. So much. It's so fun. Look at me. Nobody's looking at you, Sarah. It's just you. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put on a shirt. God, I feel like him. I feel like I'm Jack Sparrow. It's freaking awesome. Alright, be right back, guys. I can't get enough of it. I want to stay like this all day.
Well guys, that's it for today's transformation. I will let you watch the end of the tutorial and I will see you tomorrow.
I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Why should I stay with any of you? Why should I stay? Why should I stay with any of you? Why should I stay with any of you? Why should I stay with any of you? It's really hard. Oh, guys, for the past 30 minutes I've been trying to speak like Jack Sparrow and it is a really difficult thing. I think I am definitely never gonna be an impersonator. I cannot do it. It's really hard. My voice is too high-pitched and I am French, so speaking English is hard. So speaking in English with Jack Sparrow's accent, it's just really hard. I'm having so much fun being Jack Sparrow. I just can't recognize myself. It's crazy. Look at me. I look like Johnny Depp. It's awesome. It's one of the best feelings in the world looking like Johnny Depp, right? Oh, I had a lot of fun with this tutorial. Honestly, this is one of my favorite tutorials I have ever made. Really. And I hope you guys had fun too watching me turn into Jack Sparrow. It's a really cool makeup, transformation, costume, I don't know. It's a real cool character, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. It's a really cool character for Halloween or for any costume party. It is always gonna be popular, pirates are popular, and Jack Sparrow is the best. I've been wanting to do it for so many years, and now I am Jack Sparrow! I'm completely losing it right now with happiness. I gotta go because it's super hot and I'm sweating. By the way, this is tea. I think that's how they do it in the movies, right? Or maybe they actually drink alcohol. I don't know, but this is tea. See? And it looks like rum, sort of, and I'm blurry. I borrowed this bottle from my sister because it is perfect. Look what it reads. Camera, fuck is here. It says pirate, just wrong spelling, but it's so cool and it's a beautiful bottle. Anyway, no one cares. Oh god, I love this face so much. Look at me. Never brag about my makeups, and I'm always frustrated with my makeups. 99% of the time I am. This is the 1% of my makeups that I love because this is actually good, right? So anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to come back because I'm posting every day. Every day. Sorry, I'm excited. Every day until Halloween, so come back tomorrow. And yeah, share this video, please. It would mean the world to me because I really love this one. See you tomorrow. I've already said that, so I'm gonna shut up now. Bye.